Good morning. I'm going to go over day 8 with everyone. So we'll just get started. For reading, you are reading in the museum, so I'm sure you've gotten pretty far in there. Okay. And then you'll probably end up around here before you finish the story. So again, just make sure you're restating the questions at the bottom and looking in the text on that given page for any text evidence. For writing, we are continuing on. Actually, I think we are almost finished with our one good thing I'm good at. So you would be on Wednesday. And this is where you would create your topic sentence. And it might sound a little something like this. What is something that you are good at? Well, I am good at, and then whatever it is that you choose. And then for the closing sentence, it will sound very similar using your transitions to end it. It would be, in conclusion, I feel I am very good at, and then whatever it is you chose. Or all in all, or to sum it all up. And then you would move on to your daily language. So we have daily language for Wednesday. And the first one, you're using your context clues to try to figure out what that bold word is. So it says he had never ridden a horse before and was a novice. So we have a soft C there. Then we have 2 sentence corrections. So on number 2, we have 8 corrections, lots of corrections going on there. And then we have number 3, we have another underlined word because it is a title of a book. We know what we have to do for titles of books, and then we have 5 corrections there. The last 2, which word is spelled correctly, so we're looking for interesting and suppose. And then we have our, wrong day, word problems, adding and subtracting fractions. Now, this one can get a little confusing by the way that they word some of them. The first one here is pretty straightforward, but then this one you'll notice that they only have one fraction. The reason why is because they're using the whole pepperoni pizza. So if we're using the whole, and this is how much is left, the denominator is telling you how many parts are in all. So in order to make the whole, we're going to double the denominator. So the whole would actually be 5 as the numerator and 5 as the denominator. And then you will use your keyword to tell you what to do with those fractions. And then for the last one, same thing. There's only one fraction given in the word problem, so we have to kind of investigate. So it says, by the end of the party, cupcakes were gone, we're left of, okay. So you kind of have to infer on this one. So if this is how many that were left, again, using the denominator to help you there, that is how many cupcakes there were to start. So you're gonna have to pull out the whole. So it would be 6 over 6. And then you will use your keyword to help you to figure out what operation to use. Okay? You can also draw a model if that's what you are comfortable with. Moving on to social studies. In social studies, we have our maps, graphs, and globes. In this section, I believe we're working on, I don't actually have the rest of the book at home. Actually, I believe that you're doing grids and latitudes on this page, and then I think on the next page it's going to be longitude and then the earth and the sun. I think I shifted those a little bit. So continue working hard on that. If you have any questions, obviously just reach out. And then for science, we're moving into, I think this is topic 5. Topic 5 is labeled Human Impacts on Earth Systems. So we did talk about the solar system and, you know, constellations and moon phases. So now we're just going to talk a little bit more about Earth specifically. So you're going to read and answer the questions on this page, this page, this page, this page, and this page. And then there's a little make meaning question at the bottom of that page. You could do it on a lined piece of paper. And I think, oh, one more page, and you'll also do this page. And then you'll end with the questions and the lesson check at the end. And I think that's about it. So I'm going to record day 9 shortly, so look forward to seeing that. And again, you can work at your own pace. You don't have to always be on the same day that I'm on. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.